how to pin your favorite games to the top in the gaming hub on the Samsung Galaxy S24 or the S23. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, swipe across and locate Gaming Hub. Next, in here, I'm going to go back to Gaming Hub. Then tap on the 4 little square. Next, in My Games, go down the list and select a game that you want to pin to the top. So for example, I'm going to touch and hold on Roblox. Then tap on pin to top. And now you can continue to pin other games to the top as well. So let's select Rise of Castles. So touch and hold. Then tap on pin to top. And that is how you can pin your favorite games to the top of the list. To unpin it, just simply touch and hold. Then tap on unpin. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.